What's going on, everybody? It is your friend Carter, and it's time to scratch. Check it out. I've got a $50 Georgia lottery session that's coming at you right now. We're going to do 2 of the $10 Extreme Cash. I've got 3 in a row of the $5 Power Fives. 3 in a row of my favorite 5. You know it quite well. It's called 20 times the money. Let's just start with those. It's tickets double 3 all the way through. 35. It's a matching number game. Boy, look at those pretty things right there. That dollar bill takes it all. But 20X is going to get you 20 times the prize. All right, here we go. Let's see if we can break the ice on ticket number 33. I left my coin at home. I'm going to have to use one of my business cards to scratch. All right. 4, 21, 23, and 24. Number 10. 28. 5 is close. 14 and 8, the money number. All right, come on. I'm ready for a symbol. No teens on this ticket. Get out of here, teens. Are you kidding me? 25 is one off. 3, we've been to both sides of that 4. 18, 9, 7, 29. Last shot is a 17. So we got nothing on our first ticket. All right. 34. Come on, 34. 26, 15, 16, and there's my 21 again. All right, come on. 25, right off the rip. We're one off. 17, another one. 27, no way. 30 and 24. All right, nothing on the top. Goodness, you can't even see. 19, 12, 28, 7, and 6. Come on, tickets. 3, 2. Give me a symbol. Double 2. 5 and 9. No way. That's 2 in a row. Come on, 20 times the money. Here we go. Ticket 35. 2, 17, 18, and 21. 3, we've got the 2. 12. 19 is one off. So is 1. 25. Boy, that 21 has shown up on every ticket. Come on. 26. 15. 24. 10. And 30. Goodness gracious. Double 1. 23. 29. Finally, a win on my number. 21. Holy smokes. About time, Georgia. All right. Give me a 20X now. 13. All right. What do we got? Hey, it's the Georgia special. The $8 winner. All right. We broke the ice. We're on the board. Power Fives. This is symbols only. Over here in these power spots, we need the lightning bolt. In the play area, we're looking for a star to win the prize, or the double dollar doubles the prize. 13, 6, 20, 5, and 3. We got nothing in the top 5. Come on. 7, 11, number 9, 24, and 4. We got 5 shots left. Come on. No symbols. All right. Are we going to have a lightning bolt? Piggy bank. Key. Crown. Come on. Orange. And a horseshoe. We got nothing on ticket 4. Here we go with ticket number 5. Come on, Power Fives. 24, 25. There we go. We got a star. Nice. All right. We got a win. Not getting shut out on these. Come on. 1, 18. All right. Come on. Here we go. 22, 20, 17, 14, and a 4. Come on, give me something to go with it. 3, 7, 15, 6, and 26. All right, come on, Lightning. Whoa, we got it. No way. Holy cow. Wow. Check that out. I love it. Ticket 5 on Power 5. We got the lightning bolt, y'all. That's an instant $25 right there. Heck yeah. Check it out. And we have a star. I love it. Nice, nice, nice. All right. Come on. Give me something to go with it. Wow. Give me another one. Oh, it's an orange. Come on. Oh, it's a bell. Don't stop. Give me something else. Come on, 50. It's a hat and a crown. All right, so we got a lightning bolt for 25. What do we have here? And 5, so we got a $30 winner. Whoa, holy smokes. That brings us up to $38 back, y'all. Heck yeah. Man, I love this ticket. Come on, Power 5s. Let's do it again. Give me that double dollar symbol now. Here we go. I might have to scratch with this card more often. It's awkward, though. 14, 9, 11, 13, and my number, 21. Come on. 30, 24, 16, 12, come on. 18, we got 5 shots left. 17, 8, 9, 7, and 25. All right. Come on, Lightning. Ring. Bell. Crown. Come on, 50. Clover and a piggy bank. So nothing on that one, but boy, that was a nice win. All right, a $15 win puts us in profit, y'all. Extreme Cash. Back to back, tickets 8 and 9. I've yet to find a burst. Is today the day? 50, 75, 100, or 200. We match a number. Every number has its own multiplier. All right, come on, let's get it. 28, 40, 38, 15, 8 on 8, and 3. Come on. 23. We got a 28. 34. 36. We need 38. 37. And 7. We got an 8. All right. Nothing on the top. Come on. 39. No way. Right in the middle. 12. 2. We got a 3. 14, we got 15. 25, we got 28. All right, come on. 24. 21. 4, we needed 3. 9, we needed 8. And 11. Come on, ticket. Last row. 26. 6. 22. 17 and 32. We're gonna have to do it right here in the bonus. Come on, burst. We got nothing. All right. Maybe the win is right here. Ticket number 9. Come on, ticket 9. Find me one more winner, please. Preferably 15 or higher. 334. There's that 28 again. 13. 9 on 9. Goodness. And 18. All right. Come on, let's get it. Right here. Number 2 is 1 off. So is 14. 39. 35. And 19. Both of those are 1-offs. Come on, ticket. 21, 33, 15, 25, and 30. Nothing yet. 22, 6, 8. Come on. We got to win. No way. Whoo, all right. We got a matching 3. Heck to the yeah. We like it when that happens. All right, we got a chance for profit, y'all. 37. All right, one more row. We get another match. It is profit. 7, 16, 26, 32, and double 1. We see anything but a 1X, it's going to be a profit session. All right, we see a burst, it's profit. Give me the burst to go with it. Horseshoe, orange, key, and ring. Okay, it's the matching 3. Boy, I would love to see a juicy multiplier. It's a 1X. All right. What do we got? We got the ticket win. Wow. All right, so $10 there. $8 there made 18. But you want to talk about the star of the show? A $30 win on a $5 ticket, making it 48 out of 50. So close. We got close, y'all. Appreciate you watching. If you don't mind, ring the bell, press all. You'll be notified of upcoming videos. Don't forget to leave a comment. I love to answer those, and I'll catch y'all on the next one. Bye, everybody. Wow. All right, we'll take that. Heck yeah.